This is Dusty Jones here with least common multiple and greatest common factor. The least common multiple of a set of numbers is the least number that's a multiple of each of the numbers in that set, and I'm going to use the notation LCM with parentheses A and B, where A and B are those integers that we're trying to find the least common multiple of. First of all, I'd like for you to pause the video here and find the least common multiples of these four pairs of numbers. Some different methods you may have used were to make lists of the multiples of each number and then see which the first number, the least number, was in common. You can also write the prime factorizations of the numbers and then choose all of the prime factors and use the largest powers of the primes that are represented in the prime factorizations. Or you could use the fact that the product of the greatest common factor and the least common multiple is equal to the product of the two numbers. This is the method that we'll use when we're trying to find the least common multiple of some really large numbers. And it would be good for you to look at the previous slide and check to make sure that the greatest common factor times the least common multiple does indeed equal the product of the two numbers. So if we want to find the least common multiple of 12,345 and 67,890, from the homework you should have found that the greatest common factor of those two numbers was 15. So what we can do to find the least common multiple is multiply 12,345 by 67,890, divide that by 15, and that should give us the LCM. Go ahead and try that with these other two numbers.